Guys, welcome to my channel where I share tricks and tips on digital marketing and how to make money online. Another inspirational videos just for you. If you are a new timer on this channel, please click the subscribe button and make sure you subscribe and click the notification to ensure that you get new videos from me. You get notified by YouTube when I post new videos that will help you in digital marketing and to make massive sales online. I welcome you to my channel once again, and I know you do so well to enjoy it. Thank you very much. If you are a returning subscriber and this current video you are watching has added value to you, please don't forget to like and use the hashtag that is attached in the comment section. Thank you. I know you love music. You love listening to music. You are even a member of a choral group or a band in your church or in your assembly. Now, give me your ears. Stop wasting golden opportunities. You can make money while uploading stock videos and music online. In the post-COVID era, stock videos and music are now popular because a lot of content are coming up on videos and content. And a lot of people need to insert music in the background or put videos in the background. These videos are popular and they are free on the internet. You can make so much money by uploading this music online. I'll show you in this video. Before I show you the video, if you have not subscribed to this channel, click the subscribe button below to subscribe to this channel, and please like this video before I go ahead. Now, follow me in this step-by-step guide I will be providing to upload free images, free videos, and free music. When I say free, no plagiarism issues, no licensing issues, no copyright issues. You're going to be uploading free images. I'll teach you how to download those images for free and how to upload those images, and you set the price you want to sell them online. You can make $50 per video or music you download and upload online. Now, if you are ready, click the link in the description button below to get started. So when you click on the link in the description button below, you are going to come to this website where you can upload the videos and the music for free. You're not going to pay anything to sign up to this website. So what you're going to do is to click the sign up button and then sign up. Click the sign up button and then sign up. Sign up with your email and then your password, and then you're going to start immediately. So this is how you can earn. You can see the description of what you could do and how you will be able to earn money if you upload videos and music here. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to teach you how you can upload the files. Now, but where can you get the files? Where do you want to get the files to upload? So I'm going to take you to mixkit.com. Mixkit.com.co rather is where you can get free stock music and videos for free. They are free, license free, plagiarism free in different genres. Now, before you can know the music or video that will sell, the one that will be able to get you money, you need to know the music that is trending. So how do you know the music or the video that is trending? You can come to Google Trends and say Google Trends should let you know what is trending at the moment. Right now, as I'm recording this video, these are the things that are trending. You select your country and then you'll be able to select the trending music. So if you know, you select trending music and then you're going to see the list of the music that is trending. Google is going to bring it out for you, and then you see the list of the music that is trending. So you will be able to know the type of music you should look for. So these are the interests over time, and these are different places in Nigeria that you can do. So you can look at trending songs, and then you see those type of music that are free that you can upload. Now, so when you come to, let's go back to misskit.co. Now, let's say we are in December time and it is time for Christmas, and you need to upload this particular music. For example, A Very Happy Christmas by Michael Ramry. Now, this Michael Ramry, you're going to click this button below to download. Once you click this button, your video will start downloading. And then you can close this interface. You're going to see this music downloading. Now, how do we download videos? Now, we know that we are in the world of technology and several content, video content are coming up every time. Now, there are different content that will sell, content that resonates with what people are currently doing. So now let me take you to the world of business. If you click on business here, and then let's say we want to talk about social media, you're making a video on social media. A lot of people are making videos on social media and they want demonstration. People, churches are even running adverts, and then they want a lot of free stock videos that they can actually do, and some don't mind paying for it. So you could see quite a number of free stock videos. You can click on them and try to play it. When you click on it, try to play it, and then you see this is a boy walking in the street, and it's just for about 15 seconds. So let's look at animals, and then let's say we want to upload on wildlife. You can select any of the different videos on wildlife, and then you'll be able to see. So let's say we have camels walking in the desert. In fact, I know of a content producer on TikTok that uses Yoruba language as an underplay, and then he just uses this type of images, and then uses this as a background for his content, and then you produce that content. So you've seen here where you can see different videos. Let's talk about transport, and then you want to talk about traffic, or maybe a reporter on a TV station wants to talk about traffic, and then you want to look at it. So once you just click on it, you just hover around it, it's going to show you a preview of how these things work, how these things work. So if you are making video on TikTok, you are making content on YouTube, this is another opportunity for you to be able to get your images for free. I mean, for free. You won't have to pay anything. I just showed you now how you can download a music for free. Now, when we have downloaded our music, we need to get it for sale. So we go over again to the website where we upload our music for free. Now, make sure that you are not uploading any pornographic files or anything else, you will be banned. Now, if you are also using an ad blocker, if you are using an ad blocker on your system or on your phone, then you will not be able to upload these files. Now, I have downloaded a file now, and then I want to upload. So I'm going to click on choose file. It will take me to open where it is located. I have saved it as Christmas song by Michael Ramry, and then I'm going to open it. And once I do that, I'm going to add a description. Now, I can actually change the name, because when you download it, it's going to have the name Miskit as part of the name because you downloaded it from Miskit. So you are going to edit it to the name you want. Don't forget to put the name of the author of that song there. I believe you are an expert, or even if you are not an expert in music, you should know the type of music people want to listen to. You should know the type of music that people use as an underplay when they are making their videos. So once you do that, you select public, and then you say start upload. With a good internet, your music will be uploaded. Don't forget that this music are very, very small. This is just 4 MB, and you have music that are just 10 MB, or if you have so much data, because you need data like water. If you have so much data, you can download and upload videos and music that have large files. So it has been uploaded and it's saying file uploaded. I can click on it, and then it's going to show me the information. With these links that I have, this is a download link on Up Forever, the website we're using, and then you can talk about this music online, and then you use this link. Anybody that click on this link will come here to buy the
music, and then it will also be advertised by Up Forever for you, and then you will be able to make sales with it. But we have not talked about the price of this music we just uploaded. So once you have a profile, you go to your profile. I'm using a free account for you now, and then you're going to go to my files. Once you go to my files, you will see the number of files you have uploaded. This is a free account. I've not uploaded so much on this particular account. So you are going to see all the music you have uploaded. Now, I've uploaded this Christmas song before. Because of this tutorial, I uploaded it again so I can easily cancel it. But now, let me show you what you're supposed to do. You're going to come to this button here where you can edit. So once you click on it with a very good internet, you don't have any problem. So you give the description of it. Don't forget you need to know SEO. SEO means search engine optimization. What are some of the things you are going to put here that will make this music to come up on Google when people are searching for it? So you are going to add a price. Let's say we want to add $50, 50 USD, and then you don't want people to be able to download it for free, so you can untick public and check premium only. Once you submit this music will be listed for free. So it's bringing this field because I have uploaded it before, and then I have a file there before now. So once you do that, you're going to have, let me just show you that I have been able to list this file, and I have added the right price there. So I'm going to close this now and then delete this file. Once I delete this file again, I'll go back and then show you the one that I have listed and the price that I have listed here. I have listed it to be sold out for $10. So this is for $10. You'll see I'm going to select premium only and then click on submit. So once I do that, it has accepted it, no issues this time. So I have on this particular account, I have a Christmas song and I have a wedding song. Each of them just less than 5 MB, just less than 5 MB. I've uploaded it and then I am listing it up there for sale. That's all you need to do. You don't need to do any other thing again, except you want to market it yourself and you have a lot of content, you have a lot of followers, you have a lot of leads. When you use your leads, you can use your leads on your email. I have videos on email listing and how to create your email listing and how to do affiliate marketing on this YouTube channel. If you have come to this level on this video, it means you are interested in making money online. I have other videos on how to make money online. Please kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel and ensure that you like these videos. You can watch other videos that I have on this YouTube channel and you'll be glad you did.